How to make a 3D NFT art. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create 3D NFT art to sell on any of the NFT marketplaces. So let's get started. When it comes to creating NFTs, we can create different type of NFTs, and 3D NFTs are actually one of the very famous types, and it does pretty well when it comes to selling on a marketplace. So today I'll show you how to create a 3D NFT for free without coding. So let's get into it. Today I will be using two platforms that are completely free, and I'll show you both of these platforms and produce NFTs for you guys. So first of all, I have NFTart3D.com. So simply go to this platform and it's completely free. You can see it says create a 3D art NFT style NFTart3D.com, and it will allow me to create an NFT for free. So it is also an artificial intelligence where I can convert an image into a 3D type of NFT. You can see like this one or this one. So all you need to do is you just need to upload an image. You don't need to sign up or pay for anything. It's an online platform and we can create 3D NFTs. So I'm just gonna click right here and upload my image. So I have added an image. Now we have to select if we want to continue with the image background that we already have, or we want to go without a background. So I'm just going to continue with the background, and you can see now we have different types that we can create with this platform. So we have this one, which is going to be like a simple effect, a 3D effect. Then we have this one, and this one is pretty cool. Then you can see there is this one right here. Then there's this. So these are the different type of effects available, and these are all 3D effects for our NFT that we can add. So I am liking this one, and then we have this one. So let's go with this one right here. So I'm just gonna select the effect. Once you have selected it, you're gonna click on create your 3D NFT. So it will just take like a few seconds to generate your NFT. You can see it's already like 29% done. So I'm just gonna wait for 100%, and then we will get our own NFT. And there you go. You can see this is a 3D NFT, and you can see it. This is like a square and it's 3D, and you might have seen a lot of 3D NFTs like this. So it also depends on the kind of image you are going for, and you can see even in the background we have our own effect. So it depends on your image. I just went with a very simple image that I created recently, and you can see it has converted it into a 3D NFT. So you can now download it as a GIF, JPG, or MP4. Any type of NFTs can be uploaded on OpenSea or Rarible. So you will just download the NFT and it will be downloaded, and now I can upload it on OpenSea to sell it for hundreds of dollars. So this is one of the platforms that you can use that allows you to create 3D NFTs within minutes, and you don't have to do anything. Simply go to NFTR3D.com and create your 3D NFTs. The second platform that I will be using today is going to be Canva.com. Now, Canva is an online designing tool, and we know that it allows us to create presentations. We can design Facebook posts, we can create logos and stuff. So I also create my NFTs with Canva, but they are PNG NFTs, but we can also create 3D NFTs, and that's what I will show you. So for that, let's just open up a canvas, and I'm gonna use we can also go with a custom size, or we can just like select any from here. For now, I'm just gonna go with a logo canvas to show you how to create a 3D NFT on Canva. So here we have art on Canva, and you can see we have templates, elements, uploads, text, audio, background, and more. When it comes to elements on Canva, we also get a lot of 3D elements that we can add, and that's what I will do, and I'll show you how to create a 3D NFT. So you first of all, you can change your background color, so that's what I'm gonna do. We can maybe go with this one, and I'm just gonna go to the color panel and make it a little lighter. There you go. So this is going to be my background, and in elements we can search for any element, and I'm just going to search for 3D. Let's just search for 3D and see what comes up. Okay, so you can see this is like a 3D boxes. Then we have this one right here. So I'm just going to select this one, and you can see it's a 3D element that I just added. So I'm just going to place it here. and my NFT is created. If I just stop right here, you can see this is a pretty impressive NFT that I just created. And now what I can do is I can just, download it as a GIF style NFT, and it's going to be 3D. Similarly, I can scroll down to explore more and see that what kind of different elements are available. It also depends on what I am looking for. So we have this one as well. Let's actually delete this one and maybe add these elements. These are also 3D elements, and you can see it's a 3D style NFT that will be created. When it comes to creating an art, you can select different characters. So we can go with this one, which is a 3D character. You can see right here, it's 3D, and I can just place it right here, and my NFT will be created. So this is how easy it is to create 3D NFTs with Canva. Let's say that I'm looking for something, and let's actually search for an element, which is a Bitcoin. So I have searched for 3D Bitcoin because I create NFTs like this, and I'm looking for a 3D style, Bitcoin. So you can see this one, and I can just add it right here, and it's a 3D Bitcoin, and this can be my NFT. And we can change the background color to maybe this one, and you can see how good it looks. This can be my NFT. So I have again added this one, and now I'm gonna save it. So you can just simply click on share and click on download. So it's going to be MP4 video, or we can also save it as a GIF. So it totally depends on you. Any type of NFTs can be added to OpenSea or Rarible or any other platform you are using. So don't worry about that. So you can like save it as a JPG, PNG, or maybe not JPG or PNG, because then you won't be able to see the effects. So you can go with MP4 video or GIF. But NFTs can be, saved as these types and then used. So I'm just gonna save it as MP4 video and click on download. It will just take like a few seconds to download, and now my 3D NFT is created, a very high professional NFT of my choice. When it comes to the other platform I showed you, there is limited options available, but on Canva I can actually play around and create NFT of my choice. And this way you can produce as many NFTs as you want. These platforms are completely free. You can also check out the Canva Pro version to create 3D NFTs, and you can search more elements. You can go for the graphics, then there are videos available if you want to go with a video NFT. So it totally depends on you. You can explore more. You can also add and upload images to your NFTs, and then simply save it and upload it on OpenSea. So I am using the free version, and this is like the NFT that I created with the free version. You can also go with Canva Pro, and NFTart3D.com is completely free. Go ahead and check it out, these platforms, to create 3D NFT. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.